Alright, got another excellent looking product from SANSI. It's another lighting product. I love these lighting products that SANSI's come out with. They've got a really great variety of stuff out there. This latest one is an LED security light, but it's also a party light. So you can change the colors on it. And yeah, it's got the on-off switch, but yeah, it's got a total, I think, of, it says 32 keys, infrared remote, 16 colors, and 4 modes. So yeah, this is pretty nice. It's got the different colors: orange, coral, gold, purple, pink, yellow, orchid, navy, indigo, lime, aqua, and cyan. And then it's got the different modes of strobe, flash, fade, and smooth. So yeah, this is pretty nice. We'll get a look at the light here. Alright, so this can be hardwired in as a security light. And it's got 180 degree movement for angling the lights where you want them. Yeah, this is pretty nice. So depending on where you want it mounted, you can actually angle the lights, 45-degree angle. If you mount it to a post, or if you're mounting it to the side of your house, probably straight out would work for you. You can angle them down to shine them more towards your driveway or towards your vehicles or your building or whatever you want. So yeah, this is really nice. It comes with the mounting hardware, so you can mount it to the side of your house, or again wherever. And it's got the weatherproof foam to keep water out and bugs out, so it's mount right to the back of the item. So yeah, this is really nice. So I'll kind of do a quick overview of it here. And yeah, this is a 30 watt, which would equal to a 200 watt brightness red, green, blue LED security light or floodlight. And it's got adjustable heads, 16 colors, 4 modes. It's dimmable or decorative, so it can be used for a party or for special occasions, as well as a security light, stage lamp, landscape light, etc. And yeah, it's great for say birthday parties, Christmas celebrations, Halloween coming up, wedding parties, and more. Yeah, it's got the 5 dimmable settings to meet your brightness needs, so you can adjust the brightness with the remote with the arrow indicators. It's super bright, and it'll light up a wide area. And exclusive lens sealing technology to ensure focused, brighter output of your lights. The lighting direction, of course, is adjustable. 2 flexible light heads can easily move upwards, downwards, horizontally, up to 270 degrees. And again, it's got the patented COC technology with its chip-on ceramic. It's SANSI patented technology so they don't get hot and overheat for a long period of use. This is a waterproof setup. Its lifespan is estimated at 50,000 hours. This red, green, blue LED security light has the IP65 waterproof rating to withstand any rain or storm. And yeah, again, just tells you about the ceramic technology for dissipating the heat and prolonging the lifespan of the light. So, and again, it's 100% anti-corrosion and rust proof. So this is a pretty nice light. I'll probably find some place to wire it up, and we will test this out. Alright, so I've kind of wired it up for display purposes, and yeah, I got it mounted to my carport here. This is actually probably a good spot for it. I can actually angle the lights about 45-degree angles here to get the whole open spot that I've got. I've already got it again wired up for temporary purposes. I'll go ahead and turn the power on to test it. There we go. That's actually still pretty bright for daytime lighting. And I got the remote here. I already put 2 AAA batteries that are not included, so I've added those. So we'll go ahead and test the color scheme. So that's orange, coral, gold, purple, pink, yellow, orchid, navy, indigo, lime, aqua, and cyan. Now we'll test the strobe. It's pretty neat. And there's the flash. This is the fade. And this is the smooth. So I want to at least show you what they look like during the day. So we'll wait till it's dark and we will show you what they look like at night and how bright it lights up my carport area. So let's go ahead and test this light. There's orange, coral, gold, purple, pink, yellow, orchid, navy, indigo, lime, aqua, and cyan. Now we'll try the different modes. Strobe, flash, fade, and smooth. Yeah, this is really nice and brights up the entire carport area nicely. There you go. Just doing a test of SANSI's new 30-watt security / party light. So I hope you enjoyed it. If it helps you to buy one, I highly recommend any of the SANSI products that they have out because they're all really great. So until next time, adios.